High drive, right field. Can he do it? Jason Castro. He won the game. He won the game in Houston. Jason Castro hit it out for a 3-run homer. The Astros sweep the series and go up by 2 as Castro delivers. A night to celebrate. The Astros frustrated all night long. 2 men on, 2 outs, a 1-2 pitch, and Castro delivered a bolt.
That is some kind of fun. And when you've had a rough year, a night like this can do everything to turn it around. And like you say, Brownie, the 2-game lead now for the club. Jason missed the one down the middle, but he did not miss this one. And the Angels leave town having lost all 3 games. Psychologically, that has to be very big.
That's the 10th win in the final at bat. The 3rd walk-off for the Astros, their 2nd walk-off homer of the year, and Castro flipped the bat. What a moment. The Astros now 9-3 since the All-Star break. They go to 36-17 at home, where the excitement just continues to grow. They've won 7 straight in this ballpark, and right now they have a 2-game lead on the Angels. It's looking very good for the Astros, who made their most recent trade earlier tonight. And then they had a thriller of an evening, winning it 3-0 in the bottom of the 9th.